In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a budget alert in Microsoft Azure. Understanding how to effectively set up these alerts can be crucial for managing your resources and ensuring that you stay within your financial plan when using Azure services. So, let's dive right in and break this down step by step. First, you'll want to sign into the Azure portal. If you're not already familiar, the Azure portal is your go-to hub for managing all your Azure resources. Once you're logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to type Cost Management plus Billing and select it from the drop-down options. This is where you'll manage your budget settings. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu. From here, select Budgets. This is where you'll create and monitor your spending alerts. To get started on setting up a new budget, click on the Create button. Depending on your interface, this might also be labeled as Add Budget. Now it's time to fill in the details for your budget. Start with the scope. You'll need to specify the subscription, resource group, or management group that the budget will apply to. This simply means selecting which part of your Azure account this budget should monitor. Next, provide a descriptive name for your budget. A good, clear name can help you quickly identify its purpose at a glance. You'll also need to choose a time grain, or reset period. This can be set to monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on how often you want your budget settings to reset. Enter the amount you wish to allocate for this budget. For instance, you might set it at $5,000, but feel free to adjust this to suit your needs. Next, scroll down to the Alert Conditions section. Here, you'll decide if your alert will be based on actual costs or forecasted costs, providing the flexibility to plan based on current spending or future projections. You can add various thresholds, such as 50%, 80%, or 100% of your budget. For example, you might want to receive an alert when your spending reaches 80% of the budgeted amount. Now specify the contact methods for notifications. You can input email addresses or select existing action groups that should receive alerts. If desired, you also have the option to configure an action group. This allows you to expand your notification techniques, adding SMS, webhooks, or automation options for when thresholds are breached. Once all your settings are configured to your satisfaction, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. If everything checks out, go ahead and click Create. Your budget is now active. Whenever your costs or forecasted costs surpass the thresholds you've set, Azure will send out notifications according to your specified settings, keeping you informed and in control of your spending. And that's it. You've successfully set up budget alerts in Azure. This tool is a fantastic way to